everyone, and welcome back to the AGF channel. Today I have a really fun tutorial for you that is inspired by Sharon Holland's Folded Star Hot Pad tutorial, and that is a folded star quilt block. This would make a super cute baby blanket or a lap quilt to snuggle under when it gets cold. Today I will be using 5 of our pure solids in Tranquil Waters, Aero Blue, Denim Blue, Night Sea, and Nocturnal. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video for a huge surprise that you're not going to want to miss. So without further ado, let's get started. Here is what you will need. 4 4-inch squares of Tranquil Waters, 8 4-inch squares of Aero Blue, 8 4-inch squares of Denim Blue, 8 4-inch squares of Night Sea, 4 4-inch squares of Nocturnal, 4 6.5-inch squares of Nocturnal, a 7-inch square of scrap fabric for your foundation. You could use muslin, one of the blues we used, or another solid fabric like I used here in white linen, a needle and thread. Take your first 7-inch foundation square and fold it in half, then in half again, then in half one more time to make a triangle. Give it a really good press to create 4 creases from corner to corner and from side to side. Take all of your 4-inch squares and your 6.5-inch squares to your ironing board. Fold them in half wrong sides together, then in half again and press to create creases. Unfold once, and with your folded edge at the top, bring the top right corner to the bottom middle at the crease to create a 45-degree angle. Do the same for your other side so you have a triangle shape. Repeat these steps for all of your squares. Grab your foundation square with your creases and lay it right side up. Take your 4 triangles of Tranquil Waters and with the opening in the folds facing up, lay them so the points touch and the 2 45-degree angles line up with the diagonal creases on your foundation piece. Pin them in place and sew around the raw edges at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Take your next set of triangles in Aero Blue and lay 4 of them right on top of the ones you just sewed, about 3/8 of an inch away from the point. Once you have those 4 in place, take your other 4 and lay them in the corners with the spot where the folds meet, lining up with the diagonal creases. Sew around the raw edges of these 8 triangles in an octagon shape. For your next 2 colors, follow the previous step with your 8 triangles. When you get to the last color, add the 4 small triangles the same as you did for the other colors, and add the 4 larger triangles in the corners. Sew around the entire foundation piece at 1/8 of an inch and trim your triangles even with the foundation. Next, make a small tacking stitch inside each fold of each triangle. You can either do this step as you go, or all at the end, which I found to be easier for me. And your block is finished! This is a very versatile block that can be made into a pot holder, be sewn into a tote bag, or you can make a bunch and sew them into a quilt with a star in every color of the rainbow. But where will you get every color of the rainbow? Oh, I have an idea. As a huge thank you to all of our subscribers for hitting 30,000 of you, we are giving away over 30 yards of fabric to one lucky winner. And the 30 yards will be our 6 new Pure Solids bundles in every color, including the 5 colors I used for this block tutorial, which are in the crystallizing bundle. So make sure you are subscribed to the Art Gallery Fabrics channel, like this video, and comment below what you would do with all of these back quarters. This giveaway ends February 24th, so make sure you get your comments in before that. Good luck to all of you, and until next time, happy sewing!